Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce wealth inequality with Charles Schwab step by step clearly. Start by understanding what wealth inequality is. Wealth inequality refers to the unequal distribution of assets among individuals in a society. Recognize the significance of wealth inequality in influencing economic growth and social stability. Begin to educate yourself on financial literacy. Encourage yourself and others to learn about budgeting, saving, and investing. Make financial education accessible. Support programs that teach financial literacy in schools and communities. Advocate for policy changes that promote equal access to education and financial resources. Explore community investment initiatives. Support local businesses to boost job creation in underserved communities. Consider utilizing Charles Schwab's investment tools and resources. Engage with Schwab's online platform that offers educational materials. Utilize Schwab's no-fee investing options, making it easier for everyone to start investing. Create or join community groups focused on wealth building. Collaborate with others to share knowledge and resources. Encourage savings programs that are specifically designed for low-income families. Explore programs that offer matching savings accounts for those with limited means. Advocate for higher wages and fair labor practices. Support local legislation aimed at increasing the minimum wage. Encourage companies to implement equitable pay structures. Promote financial well-being initiatives in the workplace. Support employee financial wellness programs and resources. Utilize technology to improve access to financial services. Encourage the development of apps and platforms that offer budgeting tools and financial advice. Highlight the importance of diversity in investment management. Support firms that prioritize diversity and inclusion in their hiring practices. Develop mentorship programs for aspiring investors from underrepresented groups. Engage with local policymakers to address wealth inequality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.